decide to leave me, it's gonna be a cold, cold and windy night. When you decide to leave me, you see, I think you might be planning on catching a plane. Overheard you talking about Chicago. Chicago and planes just don't suit your taste. So why not wait until tomorrow? Won't it be a cold and windy night? And when you decide to leave me, you're cold and windy night. When you decide to leave me, you see, I found a map on the seat of the car today with directions to Georgia. Ooh, baby, somehow Georgia's just not your type of place. So darling, please stay. Rainy days and hurricanes, ooh, baby, can't compare to a cold and rainy love affair. It's gonna be a cold and a windy night when you decide to leave me. It's gonna be a cold or windy night when you decide. I saw a ticket in your bags today. Yes, I did. One way, non-stop to LA. Please stay. 'Cause LA don't get enough rain for you. So why go away and be blue? It's gonna be a cold